Hello students, this is a part 2 in the series of preparation for SAT Mathematics Algebra branch. So in this video I am going to discuss two questions. First question is like, which of the following is equivalent to twice 3x plus 1 into 4x plus 1, and four options are provided here. Options are like 24x, 24x plus 2, 24x square plus 14x, and 24x square plus 14x plus 2. So we are given here twice 3x plus 1 into 4x plus 1. So how I can multiply these two terms? So first I will multiply this term with first and then with second. So that will create 12x square plus 4x, and then I will multiply this 1 with 3x and then with 1. So that will create 3x plus 1. Ultimately it is twice 12x square plus 7x plus 1, or it is 24x square plus 14x plus 2. So option D is right. Thereafter I'm going to solve one more question in this video. So second question is like, which of the following is equivalent to, and one expression is given here, that is x minus y by 2 whole square, and four options are provided. First option is like x square minus y square by 2, then another is x square minus y square by 4, and C option is x square minus xy by 2 plus y square by 2, and D option is x square minus xy plus y square by 4. Students, as we know the formula that a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if in this equation 1 I am utilizing a equal to x and b equal to y by 2, so what I will be getting here? I will be getting x minus y by 2 whole square. It is x square minus 2x into y by 2 plus y by 2 whole square, that is x square minus xy plus y square by 4, and that was equal to x minus y by 2 whole square. So here option D is right. Thank you so much students for watching this video.